Will the RTX 4090 outperform the current GPU king, the RTX 3090 Ti? Here's everything we know so far about Nvidia's next-generation Lovelace graphics cards. Nvidia RTX 4000 graphics cards will likely replace current general GeForce RTX 3000 GPUs later this year. And more information about the coveted components is emerging by the day as we get closer to launch. To help you navigate the convoluted waters of leaks and rumors, greenâ compiled everything we know so far about Team greenâ's next-generation pixel pushes. We expect that RTX 4000 will be available in 3 form factors: desktop GPUs, laptop graphics cards, and is part of the Nvidia GeForce Now streaming service. Each will probably release at different points, but they should all benefit from technologies like Nvidia DLSS and Nvidia Reflex. As much as RTX 4000 GPUs will undoubtedly offer a high level of performance, these next-generation graphics cards may face stiff competition from the likes of AMD RDNA 3 and Intel Arc Alchemist. Thankfully, we greenâ have to wait much longer to find out how the RTX 4090, RTX 4080, RTX 4070, and RTX 4060 stack up against their rivals. Here's everything we know about the Nvidia RTX 4000 GPUs. Nvidia RTX 4000 release date rumors. Nvidia hasn't yet announced an official RTX 4000 release date. But there are plenty of rumors and past trends we can use to speculate when they arrive. For instance, Nvidia has released new consumer-grade graphics cards every 2 years for the past decade. With that in mind, given that RTX 3000 GPUs launched in 2020, it's a safe bet that the company will release its new RTX 4000 pixel pushes in 2022. Rumors suggested that RTX 4000 was scheduled to be revealed in mid-July, but this may now have been delayed to September. To make matters worse for Nvidia, an overabundance of existing RTX 3000 stock may force the company to push the launch date back even further. Regardless of when they do show up, high-end cards will likely lead the charge. With the RTX 4090 potentially showing up as early as October. Various RTX 4000 model names are now listed as an EEC trademark, which while doesn't guarantee an ETA, does bolster claims that they LL show up in a few months time. Nvidia RTX 4000 price speculation. We won't know what the price of Nvidia RTX 4000 graphics cards will be until Team Green makes an official announcement. But we can make an educated guess based on rumors and the cost of previous GPUs. The RTX 3090 launched with an MSRP of $1,499 making it $1,000 cheaper than the Nvidia Titan RTX. While we unfortunately don't expect this trend to continue, we should probably expect the RTX 4090 to cost around $1,499 to $1,999. With that price ceiling matching the cost of the current ruler of the RTX roost, the RTX 3090 Ti. Turning our attention to the RTX 4080 and RTX 4070. We hope both GPUs will mirror the launch prices of their predecessors, at $699 and $499 respectively. However, given the recent price hike in silicon wafers, it's possible that the MSRP of RTX 4000 GPUs could increase by up to 10%. That said, The RTX 3060 was $20 cheaper than the RTX 2060. So hopefully the new GeForce graphics cards can bring higher performance at lower prices. Nvidia RTX 4000 specs. Rumors: Nvidia is keeping the RTX 4000 specs under a well-guarded lock and key. But some key details have managed to slip out. Leaks suggest that graphics cards such as the RTX 4090 and RTX 4080, which will likely use the flagship AD102 GPU die, may feature up to 71% more CUDA cores than RTX 3000. According to reliable leaker Copete7Kimi, an Nvidia RTX 4090 that uses a Euro version of the AD102 GPU could be on the cards. The insider does specify that ETA Euro S. Unclear whether ETA Euro LL become an actual product. But the souped-up graphics card could come equipped with 46 GB GDDR6 VRAM while requiring two 16-pin power connectors. Recent leaks point towards enhanced AD104 specs. As the RTX 4070 apparently packs RTX 3090 levels of performance. It also wields faster clock speeds than the RTX 4090, which could make it an excellent mid-range option. Full-fat AD102 GPU performance claims have also surfaced online, and insiders say the Nvidia RTX 4090 Ti can run Control at 4K 160 FPS with DLSS and ray tracing enabled. Unfortunately, the performance increase offered by high-end RTX 4000 graphics cards may require a hefty and expensive power supply. Reports indicate that components using the AD102 may have a TGP of up to 900 W. Nvidia RTX 4000 benchmark speculation. No Nvidia RTX 4000 benchmark has come to light just yet, but that hasn't Euro T stopped leakers sharing information relating to potential performance. Some claim that the GeForce RTX 4090 could double the performance of the RTX 3090 in both standard rasterization and ray tracing. In terms of computing power, the rumor mill says the RTX 4090 could smash the 100 teraflops ceiling, meaning surpass the capabilities of the RTX 3090 Ti. However, ever higher levels of performance require ever higher levels of power draw. This is where the new PCIe Gen 5 interface comes into play, which was first seen on an RTX 3090 during Intel Euro S innovation event. It can provide up to a staggering 600 W of power to a graphics card but is also much more compact and less fiddly than the PCIe 8-pin power connectors we Euro VE become so accustomed to. If you like the video, like, comment, share and please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching our video. Have a nice day.